Hey all. Uh, Earlier we talked about the challenge one. Now we are going to do challenge two. It says like build AI generated summary of the related records. Create a prompt template to summarize any number of related records and populate the summary of the custom fields. Simple. If you have a case and you have a case comments. If you have a lot of case comments, if you don't want to go through each and every comment, so we are leveraging Salesforce AI here to summarize what's there in the case comments. So the same kind of challenge here. So this is the use case. So here they're saying like every contact will have a fitness records, related fitness records. So every fitness record contains what exactly the issue they are going to do it. Let's say if you want to running, what kind of thing you want to do. For example, if you want to learn swimming, what kind of insights you want to give about this one. So on the contact record, I want a summary for all the clubbing all the information together into a single field. So for that, we're going to first of all, in order to do that, we need to create a field on the contact record. The data type is rich text. That's called as interest summary. I just created it. I just want to show you back again. So go here, go to the contact object manager, go to the contact, search for. I mean, if you are doing for the first time, just click on new, and then select rich text area rich. Click on next and type interest summary. So I already have the same field, so it will throw error, but don't worry, you already have it. So I'm just canceling it. I will show you that. Just create the field and save it. Once it is done, go back. Okay, so that is done. So now we need to create a new prompt template called summarize the client goals. This is what we need to create. So here, what I'm doing, right, I'm just going back and deleting this so that we can create it from the scratch. I'm just deleting this. Never mind, delete. Okay. So here, click on the new. So go to the setup, search for prompt builder, click on new prompt builder, and instead of field generation, make sure you select the record summary. Okay, this is what we need, and just paste the given name, what are they given. So in the description. So here the summarization we need on the contact, right? So that's the reason we need to select the contact. Just select the contact. Click on next. So we don't have any prompt. You can give any prompt, but Salesforce already given some prompt for us to use. So just copy this, come back to your prompt builder, paste it. So once we paste this, make sure we choose uh, replace the placeholder. So this is a placeholder. So here we need to put related list. So go to here, go to the contact. So contact is a parent, related list is fitness. Just select the fitness, and then here again replace this and go to your prompt contact, select fitness. Same way, just remove this, go here, contact, and first name, right? So that's what they ask, first name. So that's all. So you have any other placeholders? No, 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 no. All right, right. So make sure. So the second thing is make sure you select OpenAI GPT-4 Turbo. So this is the AI model we are using for this. So click on save and activate. It's done. So now how to configure this back to contact? So in order to do that, we can't use the page layouts. Okay. So you can't use. I mean, you can use the page layout, but yeah, to be frank, no, we can't use the page layout straight away because we need to configure this summarize client goals to here. So for that, what we need to do, right, go to your lightning record page, and I don't know, we have a lot of things. So let me go to any contact. I'm just opening the previous contact which we did. Click on edit. Okay, one second. I will show you one more thing. So before that, if you guys see here, this is what the field we created. Okay, see interest summary. But you see it has a normal text field, but we need to make this normal text field to AI generated field, right? So that's the reason what we need to do, right? Go here and click on edit page. First we need to convert this page layout to the dynamic. So remember, you can use this record summary only if you convert this page to the dynamic. Okay, and just click on record details. I'm just upgrade now, and I want keep everything as it is. I'm not changing anything. I'm just doing the contact layout, and finish. So what it will do, right, it will create a, it's just converted our things to the framework. Now go to your interest summary field. So this is the interest summary. So when you click it, okay, so you see here, you see one prompt AI, generative AI is there, right? So it will be available for all the text fields. If you want to do what the text fields, you can do it. But now here, select our summarize. Oh, did I activate that? Yes, I activated that. So I give the same name. Copy this. Go to here and search for time. Okay. So here I selected the summarize things and then click on save. Just save it. Oh, why it's not valid? Let me see what's the issue here. Let me search for this thing. So here they asked us to check with Robert Bullman. So let me see here what we can do. Search for this challenge preview. Yeah, see here it has multiple records. Okay, let's activate this. Let me refresh this again. Oh, it's not changed. Let me change it again. Upgrade now. Next. This is the contact layout we have. Next. So I'm just straight away coming to this field and then searching for, no, let me create new template. Oh, 1 second, guys, that's the issue. So we have not the record summary, so we have to create. Okay, go back. Let's do, sorry for that. Let me delete this. Delete this. Click on new. From template is. Go here, choose the template, object contact. Then you have to choose the field is into summary. Click on the next, and then you have thing here. Just copy this, come here, and paste this. So make sure you remove these things, whatever we did earlier. Remove this contact. Go back, and fitness. Remove this contact, fitness. Input your contact first name, first name, first name, first name, first name, first name. Where is it? name. You have everything? No, everything is good. Click on save. Make sure you choose this to Turbo 4. Or change it to Turbo 4. Save and activate. Come back to here and search for. Need to refresh. Just do one more refresh. Sorry for that. Upgrade. Click on upgrade. As I mentioned earlier, this will applicable. This will work only in the dynamic layouts. Next, finish. So once it is done, scroll down to your summary field, and then select your summary city clause. Okay, and save it. And make sure you do for entire org. I mean, by default, make activation for all as org default. Okay, it's already org default, so we need to do that. Go back. So in order to test it, go to your the record there was want to select is this one. So click on search. Okay, right. So we have here. If you guys now see a magic symbol is there here, right? Normal thing is here, but if you because we enabled our entity2jf at this field, so it has multiple records in a different languages here, two different languages. But if you want to do what exactly summarization between all the fitness records, it can be many. Click on here, it will open a prompt here. Okay, so see here Einstein, open a prompt here, open this one. So it's generating. It clearly says that this tool uses the generative way which can produce the harmful information, but yeah, still that's fine. Let it generate. So it's analyzing your request. Let's open the Simon. So when you click on use, automatically this will be copied, right? So what we did, we click on edit. You see here in the panel, we click on here, so automatically will come here and click on save. So once it is saved, it's saved. If you want to do one more time, so you click on analyze. It will open the prompt here, but it will not generate anything until you click this. So analyzing again, it will generate anything, but if you want to do one more, you can make changes to this field and then use save. Done. That's all, right? So now let's go and see the challenge. Scroll down. This is challenge 2. So click on challenge, check challenge. Perfect, it's done. Let's see the next challenge in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.